So excited to share with you guys for the first time ever intros to my channels, and I told you last week that I was doing one for the vlog channel and also my main channel, since they're so different. If you want to see the family one, that'll be on my vlog channel, and I'm just so excited. And since I'm doing videos weekly, I thought it'd be something fun to do, and I think they turned out awesome, and I hope you enjoy them. So I'm not going to ramble on too much, and I'm just gonna show you guys. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I would do just a big haul because I have a ton of packages and just things that I've collected over the last little while. I just went to Sephora yesterday because I ran out of my Brazilian Bum Bum cream, which I've been loving. So ended up getting some other things. So I just thought I'd share everything that I've got with you today. And I've actually got my girls here with me. Why, thank you ladies for stealing the show. One awake, one down. And Sophia's wide awake. Look at you with your pink on pink. Don't you look cute? So I'm not gonna make this intro super long. I'm really excited about this video, and I'm also gonna be showing you my new Chanel, and I'm just so excited. And definitely give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do more hauls regularly, since I haven't been kind of slacking on the hauls the last little bit, but I plan on getting some new clothes for spring. So if you want me to do like a spring haul, let me know in the comments down below. But if you want to see what I hauled, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I might as well start with this sweater because I just got this from Nordstrom Rack. It came in the other day and I got it on sale too, so I'll link it down below, and I love it. I love the fit. And you could definitely play it up dressy or casual, wear it with like some knee-high boots, or just casual how I have it right now. And I like it because it's just a really nice thin material. This is definitely something I see myself wearing in the springtime. Also my favorite shade of pink. It's a really pretty pink. I've been doing a lot of shopping on Nordstrom Rack, and I didn't know it was so awesome shopping on there. Like the deals you get, that's where I got my sunglasses, and that's where Mama does her shopping. Soph. Yeah. Just got some boots on, just playing dress up with the girls right now. Hi, sweetheart. Okay, so the next two I have right here, and it's so funny, look at that. Mia, I can't believe that. 2 pairs of shoes from Nordstrom Rack, and I thought I would show them to you very quickly. Super cute for springtime, and I needed some really cute wedges. And they weren't too high because we all know I'm not wearing heels at all anymore really, so I just like a really low shoe. It's more practical, and yeah. So these ones are really cute, and these also I think I got for 40 bucks. So it was a steal. When I saw these, yes, Soph. These were honestly a steal, and they're so cute. I want to try them on now actually because I haven't worn them yet. These other booties I have, which I've had so many questions about, these ones right here, these are actually from Nordstrom Rack as well, and they're super comfortable and cute. So next part is my Sephora haul, and I actually just went there for one thing, which was the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, and I ended up leaving. Yep, a lot of stuff, and it happens to me every time I go, and I'm really bad for minis. Like I love anything miniature and cute that comes in like a little set. So first thing here I got is this Nest fragrance set, and this actually she was telling me it was a really good deal because the full size is a lot more expensive. So just to try them out too, like I've never tried these fragrances before. I have to say the bottles and just like the floral, the pretty flowers, it's just gorgeous. I really love the packaging. So I'm excited to try this little trio out, and I just got this like when you're leaving Sephora, like in all those little bins. Those always get me. Let me know though in the comments down below if that happens to you. I'm sure it does. Sephora is so bad at that, I find. Like they just, oh, they get me with the little minis. Okay, I had to go get my toner because I ran out. It's the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. This one here by Fresh, and this is what it looks like because I got the mini one for traveling. It comes in a little baby size. So this is what it looks like in the larger size, and it works really well. It's very gentle on your skin, and I've been using it and I really love it. And I actually of course got the Black Tea Firming Eye Serum. It strengthens and illuminates underneath the eyes. So I'm gonna try this out because I love fresh skincare. I've been using it for a while now. Black tea, firmer, lifted looking eyes. The other thing I got is the Clinique Take Off the Day Makeup Remover. This is what I use to remove my makeup at night. Also got a new Miss Dior fragrance, and I haven't bought a Dior fragrance in so long, I think like since high school. But this is their new like blooming one, and it smelled heavenly. It smelled very spring and just very girly. Like, it had such a nice scent when I smelled it in the store. This is what the bottle looks like, just the classic Miss Dior. I think it's so pretty. Loving perfumes lately. I don't know why, because I'm not wearing them at all, but they're just nice to have, I think. And some of you guys were saying that you want to see a perfume collection for my last video, so I think I'll do that for you. Okay, what else? So it's the Becca Sunlit Bronzer, and I love her highlights so much. I'm wearing it right now, and I wear her highlights every day, but I haven't actually tried out the bronzers. The bronzer that I use every day is the Sun Bunny by Too Faced. So I just wanted to quickly open it and show you what it looks like. It does have a little bit like of an illumination to it, but I mean, all Becca products do. So I think that'll look really gorgeous on the skin, and especially when I have a little bit more of a tan. So the other thing that I got right here is a Sephora eyelash curler. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little rose gold one, and I haven't used an eyelash curler in a long time, so I just thought I'd grab one since I haven't been wearing false lashes a lot. So I just thought, just to make my lashes look a little bit thicker and bolder and better. Okay, so the next thing I got here is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Diamond Balm All Over Diamond. I just thought this was so cool, and I haven't tried a lot of her products, honestly, and she's launched like so many things. Now there's actual glitter like all over the packaging, so be careful. I got it all over my floor. This packaging is so pretty, and it's rose gold, and I thought this would be a really nice highlighter. It's definitely bold, but just something for like a night out or date night. You can hear me on the background snoring a little bit. So cute. Packaging is very pretty. Let me know if you've tried that out. I got a ton of lashes actually because I needed some lashes. I like to carry some just in case I run out, but I got these really nice bold ones here. These 24. These are really pretty too. Hi Sophia. Hi baby. This is it right here though. This is what it looks like. Also very beautiful packaging. I really am such a fan of the rose gold. I think that's really, really pretty and stunning. I really love though that she did her line in rose gold. I think it's so pretty. I'll definitely use it, but I also want to just display it because it's so beautiful. So yeah, I'm excited to try her powder. I'm a really big translucent powder fan, so I use it every day. So I just thought I'd try something new. And then Dior Addict, I got the Lip Maximizer, just for fuller looking lips. So this is it here. I'm sure you guys have seen it before, like the lip plumpers. They did have other shades though, so I think that's new to Dior. I know that they've had this one for a while, but they had other colors, so I thought that was pretty neat. And then the other two things I got here are just these little mini fresh. So the Rose Deep Hydration and then the Youth Preserve Face Cream. These are really nice, like from the 100 points, just for travel, since I never like bringing the large bottles with me. Then the last thing that I got here, they gave me like a little makeup bag for spending an absurd amount of money. And then I do enjoy shopping there though, and I always feel like, oh, amazing after I just get new makeup. It feels so good. But just some new like skincare and makeup that I wanted to try out. If there's been anything that you've been loving that I didn't pick up, definitely let me know. And yeah, that is everything that I got from Sephora. Okay, I am like running out of room now. Let me know if you like the way I've been filming, you know, showing you guys just the hauls in different ways and stuff like that. But yeah, I definitely have been enjoying doing the vlog style on my main channel. So if you've been enjoying it, let me know in the comments down below. All right, so next thing here is Lululemon. And I went because I'm gonna start working out again soon. Keep promising myself that. Obviously it's very like expensive, but the quality of their stuff is really good, and that's why I will invest into some good leggings. And these were $98, my goodness. But they look like this, and I tried them on in the store. They fit really beautifully on, and they also are high-waisted, so I wanted something high-waisted just because I'm really trying to tighten up my stomach since having the girls. So these definitely are really, really nice, and I love the color. It's just like a really nice, soft, light gray. So the other color I got is not typically a color I usually wear, but I don't know, I just thought they were so different and unique. These ones were $88. Really nice, like green gray, and I've never worn this color before. They're picking up a little bit more gray, but they are like more green actually in person, but that's what they look like there. And I just thought these would be nice to work out in. Also just to like do daily tasks and stuff. I'll probably wear these around the house all day. And I did pick up some other things from Nordstrom Rack, so I just thought I'd show you really quickly. I did already show you on the vlog if you follow me there, but I'll show you on the main channel. The first thing I got here is a Ted Baker bag, and I needed like a new larger makeup bag, and this one I just thought would be perfect. So that's what it looks like here, and it's a great size. They, I think it came in pink and white, but yeah, really great size. I got it on sale. And then I got another Ted Baker item right here, and I really love Ted Baker, I think. And since you can get so much of Ted Baker from Nordstrom Rack on sale, it's so awesome. So I'm always buying stuff with Ted Baker. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. I think it's beautiful. I do have it in light pink, which is why I wanted the white one, so I can put one on each side of my shelves. So I thought that would look really pretty. This one is rose gold and white. And so if you watched my closet tour, you would have seen I do have the pink one right here. So I just got the white one. I thought this would look really, really nice on the other side. And I just think they're so pretty. And I got them on sale as well, which was awesome. So yeah, maybe on this side here or something I'll have to make room, but I really do like the white one. Okay, so the next thing I got here is another pair of leggings. Lately I've wanted to be just very casual, very comfortable, which is important. So I got another pair of leggings and they were on sale. Everything I get from Nordstrom Rack is on sale, so it's awesome. And I got these in an extra small. They're that greeny color as well. These ones are probably even more green, and these ones are full leg. The other ones I got were like the 3/4, but I really like them, and they fit really nice and tight. I am so happy though, because I definitely needed some new leggings. The only ones I really have are these ones here, and then the other gray ones that I wear in like every video of mine. Oh, you two crack me up. What are you doing, Mia Sophia, huh? Don't be sad. No crying. Mama can put it back on, see? There you go. Feel better? So I said this on my vlog channel, I cannot pronounce this name for the life of me, so I'll leave a link down below on the exact ones I got. I actually linked it in my Insta stories as well, because so many of you were asking where I got these from. And I liked them because of the nude color, which I haven't really seen on sunglasses. I just thought that was really different and unique. So this is what they look like. That's the side there, and I think they did come in like a, what's it called? They came in like a lighter brown as well, so I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check them out. I thought they were really, really nice, and obviously I have a small face, but I do like big sunglasses. And I almost always keep the cases as well, so I'm really happy it came with a really nice little case there. Okay, so now saving the best for last, and I was so excited to share this with you because if you've been following me on my channel for a while, you know I love my handbags, and I think more than anything, they're probably, I'd say, the most expensive thing that I buy. I don't buy expensive clothes or shoes. I get everything on sale, so if I do spend some money, it's gonna be on a handbag. And I'm not like a car person. I'm not like any other sort of person besides a handbag person. So I love and treasure my handbags so, so much. And my next video is actually gonna be my handbag collection, so I'm really excited to get that up. So this bag I found was a miracle, because there's been a bag that I've wanted since I was like probably in high school, and it's a really old bag. I think it's 2009. I'm not for sure though on the exact year, but I know it's from quite a while ago. I swear pink Chanel bags are impossible to find, and if you find one, they're either not in the best condition, or they've been really, really used, or they're really, really expensive. So I have to thank Alice, because I actually found her on Instagram, and another girl that I follow here on YouTube, Saki, thank you so much, because she had messaged her saying that I was looking for this bag and she was selling it, so it just worked out so perfectly. And I'll link both their Instagrams down below. They both have the pinkest pages I have ever seen besides my own, so they love pink just as much as me. So really appreciative that she told me about that, because I was like, yes, I will get it. And she took such good care of it. It's in like mint condition. So curious to know who's going to be the girly girl, because one of you two is gonna want all mama's bags. Isn't that right? Yes, I know. But she can enjoy her goodies for now. So this is it right here, and I already took it out of the bag, obviously. Like, I had to take pictures of it. I was just, oh, I was freaking out when it came in, you guys. And this is what it looks like right here. So it's the gold hardware, which the other Chanel I have is the silver hardware. So I was really excited. Most of the bags I have are actually gold hardware. It was nice that I was able to find the gold hardware, and this is like my all-time favorite bag in the entire world. So let me take it out just to show you. That's her right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alice, thank you so, so much again. I can't believe I found her. So I mean, if you know someone that is like a handbag collector, like on Instagram, then definitely I think that's such a great way if they're like selling their bags. So I got really, really lucky. I got really lucky and I'm so, so happy. She's so beautiful. And the other bag I showed you guys in my luxury haul, that was like the little mini Dior bag that I got from Fashion Files. So they are probably my favorite for Preloved. Do you find it crazy though how rare and hard these are to find? Like extremely rare. Like, so Ryan actually just came and got the girls, but I have everything out right now. My entire haul that I showed you, and this is the bag. This is what it looks like, and I'll probably insert a photo of what it looks like on wearing it. But you can see it up close here. Oh my goodness, it's such a beautiful shade of pink as well. I'm so happy with it. It's a great size as well. So I have the jumbo, but this one is the medium. That's what it looks like. So I did find space for her, and I just put her with the other only Chanel that I have, and I put it with like my brushes. I have a little Chanel painting that I showed you. I do have my full closet tour if you want to watch that video, but I just thought that'd be like the nicest little spot there, and I think it looks so good sitting right there. I'm so happy that I was able to find that bag. Oh, I can't even tell you how long I've been looking for that bag and how hard it is to find. Okay, so I completely forgot to show you one other thing that I did purchase, and she's right in here. So you would have already seen this in my closet tour. I'll link it down below. But I did get this right here. And just to show you like the true color compared to all the other pinks I have. So it is a little bit of a darker pink, but I really loved like the gold plate on there. And this is like my first little Chanel wallet, and I loved how mini it was as well, because I am not about large wallets right now. This is actually a wallet on chains, so anything chain form that I can take with me, or just like that's smaller, easier to throw in my bag, just because I have twins now, so I mean they take up a lot of my space, but it's really cute. I love the size. And just to show you what the inside looks like here, so you can put your cards in there. I mean, there's not a whole lot of space, but this is honestly perfect. And I actually got this off Fashion Files, so she came new as well. So as I told you, if I'm buying something from like a Preloved site, I either want it new or like new. So I want it in really mint condition if I am going to buy a Preloved, or else I would invest in just saving for the actual boutique and purchasing a brand new one. So I did buy her Preloved, but she came in perfect condition. And I have to say too, as I told you, like I'm really happy with Fashion File, since I've ordered a few things from their website now, so I'll leave a link down below for you guys. So the full shopping experience was amazing. I'm really happy because I got the box as well. So I just keep the box right over here, just because I am displaying it, and I'll put her back this way. I think the reason why I've been buying Chanel lately is just because Chanel holds its value so well, and especially with all my bags, if my girls plan to resell them one day or have them just as vintage bags, they definitely just have such a nice value that they hold on to. And yeah, Chanel bags I find are really hard to find, especially anything that's like vintage Chanel. It's just holds its value really, really well. So yeah. Okay, so that was my entire haul and unboxing. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything I got, and I'm really excited for spring coming. Like I definitely want to get into like spring fashion, spring beauty, and I can't wait for springtime. Like I just want it to warm up. Ryan was out shoveling the snow today. I can't believe we're getting into March and there's still snow. It's so crazy. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this haul. Definitely let me know in the comments down below if there's anything you've been loving lately, either luxury, fashion, beauty, anything related, since I do a little bit of everything on this channel. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe before you go if you haven't already, and also subscribe on over on the vlog channel as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.